In this video, I will show you how to add a watermark to a YouTube video. So I'll be showing you how to add a YouTube video watermark to your channel so you can display your logo, branding, or subscribe button across your videos. Whether you're building your YouTube brand, promoting your channel, or just simply want to add a professional touch to your content, this guide will walk you through the process of setting up a YouTube channel watermark. If this video helped you out today, don't forget to leave a like, comment below, and subscribe for more YouTube tutorials, creator tips, channel customization guides, and easy tech tutorials. So here we are, as you can see, on youtube.com. So you want to come across to YouTube and log into your account. Once you've done that, come and click onto your YouTube profile icon up in the top right hand corner. And then what you want to do is come and click onto YouTube Studio. Now from here, what you can do is come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto customization. And this way you can come to add a watermark to your YouTube videos. So from this page, you want to make sure you clicked onto profile. And then what you want to do is scroll down on this page, and if you keep scrolling down towards the bottom, you're going to see the option for video watermark. So you can choose the display time for this, whether you want to add it at the end of the video, a custom start time, or the entire video. Once you've done that, you're going to see a button that says add. I've already got one added, but you're just going to say add, and when you give that a click, it's going to open up your computer's file explorer where you can add your image as a watermark. Once that's done, it's going to appear in the bottom right hand corner of your videos. And of course, once you've added it, make sure to click the publish button in the top right hand corner to save your changes and add the video watermark to your YouTube videos. So that is how to add a watermark to YouTube video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more YouTube and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.